Good morning everyone. Welcome to class 10th English lecture today. Today we are going to start by discussing writing skills. In class 10th we deal with short writing task and long writing task. Today our discussion is about short writing task. As far as short writing task is concerned, we will expect two questions with choice. There can either be a letter or an article. Both will be for 8 marks. Today we are going to discuss about letter writing. The letter writing will be of two types in class 10th. Either it can be a formal letter or a business letter. Formal letter, that means either we are supposed to write a letter to editor or a letter to principal. So let us discuss formal letter to editor today. While writing a formal letter, these are the guidelines. Use formal, impersonal yet pleasing tone. Be straightforward and to the point. Avoid an intimate tone. Intimate tone, that means hello, how are you? I'm hailing in the same boat and hope you will be alright. Such kind of expressions, they cannot be used while writing a formal letter. Do not use contracted form or words or slang. These days, children, they are quite used to of using slang words while conversing on social media sometimes, or they generally use contracted form of words, which is not advisable to be written while writing a letter, as it is a formal piece of writing. Now, how the marks will be distributed? Since letter writing is for 8 marks, so let me tell you the format. It contains 1 mark. Content will give you 4 marks, and expression, your language, vocabulary, usage, fluency, it will give you 3 marks. So letter writing is really not difficult and a very important aspect these days, because we need to write letters in business houses or in every aspect of life. Now let us discuss the format for writing formal letter. This is the format. At the top left hand side, we are supposed to write sender's address, the one who is writing down the letter. So if any address is provided to us in the question, we will write down that address. If no address is given, then we can go with examination hall, ABC city. Leaving one line, we are supposed to write down the date, then receiver's address, whomever will receive that letter, that person's address, then subject, it should tell us what are we going to write down in the letter, and then salutation means you need to write down words like sir or madam, that means salutation. Further, it will be followed by content, or what you call the body of the letter. It should comprise of 3 paragraphs generally. First paragraph, where you either introduce yourself or introduce your topic. Secondly, you tell about what the problems are or what are the reasons for that particular thing that you are writing about. And finally, in a line or two, just provide a solution to the problem. Then a closing or a closure, which means yours sincerely or truly, words like these. Then the name of the writer, the person who is writing down that letter, and if needed, designation of that person. So this is the complete format of writing a letter. Let's have a look at it once again. This is the format, which tells us sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, then content, then closing, name of the writer, and designation. Now I'm showing you one letter. For example, just have a look at this. The letter reads like this: You are Amit, Amrita. 51 Mansarovar Park, Dehradun. You came across the following lines in a magazine. You are upset over the indiscriminate felling of trees. Write a letter to the editor, The Herald, in about 100 to 150 words on the need to create awareness among people about the consequences of the ruthless practice of cutting trees. So as I told you, just see, this is how we are supposed to write down the sender's address, then date, then addressee or receiver's address, after that subject, then salutation, and this is how the body or the content of the letter is to be developed. Finally, the closure, name of the person who is writing down, and here designation was not needed. If we need designation, that can also be added. Now I would like all the students to note down this question for their help so that they can practice writing down a letter. Let me read it for you. Sports personalities influence children highly these days through their game and also through their own personality. Write a letter in 100 to 150 words to the editor of the Deccan Times, KG Marg, New Delhi, about the influences of these people on the kids. You are Shivika or Shivam of SE23, Shastrinagar, Ghaziabad. Have a look at this question. Write down the letter as you have been told just now, according to the format and the content. Thank you. Have a nice day.